Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring the Elongation Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves critical material deformation problems. When you apply force to a material, understanding its elongation, stress, and strain is essential for safe design. This calculator handles all the complex relationships between these variables instantly. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode dropdown. This offers 6 options: calculate elongation, calculate stress, calculate strain, calculate force, calculate cross-sectional area, and calculate Young's modulus. For today's demonstration, we'll select calculate elongation. Next, we have original length L0 in meters, elongation delta L in meters, applied force F in newtons, cross-sectional area A in square meters, Young's modulus E in pascals, stress sigma in pascals, and strain epsilon, which is dimensionless. Let's work through a real example. Imagine we're analyzing a steel support rod. Enter original length, 2.5 meters. Skip elongation since we're calculating it. Applied force, 50,000 newtons. Cross-sectional area, 0.0001 square meters. Young's modulus for steel, 200 billion pascals. Click calculate. The calculator returns elongation delta L of 0.00125 meters, or 1.25 millimeters. It also provides stress at 500 million pascals and strain at 0.0005. These outputs tell us the rod stretches 1.25 millimeters under load. The stress value confirms we're well within steel's elastic limit. The strain shows the proportional deformation. Critical insight: always verify your units match exactly. Mixing millimeters with meters in cross-sectional area calculations causes thousand-fold errors. Find the link in the description below.